In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon AWS account number. Now, if you've ever needed to locate your AWS account number but weren't quite sure where to go or how to get it, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process. It's a straightforward task, one that can be completed pretty quickly, and you only need to access a few parts of the AWS Management Console. Whether you're setting up new services, dealing with billing issues, or managing multiple accounts, knowing your AWS account number is essential for various tasks within the platform. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, we need to start by signing into the AWS Management Console. Head over to the AWS website and click on the Console button, usually prominently displayed on the home page. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. These should be your regular AWS account email and password. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the AWS Management Console homepage, which is essentially the control panel for all the AWS services you have access to. Now, let's move on to finding that elusive account number. Take a look at the top right corner of the console. Here, you'll see various menu options, and what we need is the one labeled Support. It's in this menu that we find the next step we need to take, so go ahead and click on it. You'll see a range of support-related options, and from this list, you want to select Support Center. Once you've clicked on the Support Center, you'll be redirected to a page dedicated to helping you with all your support needs within AWS. However, today, we're not here to open a support ticket or read through documents. Instead, focus your attention on the top of this page. Right there, displayed prominently, is your AWS account number. It's a 12-digit number, and you'll see it right away, ensuring that this vital piece of information is easy to find. You may want to jot down this number or copy it somewhere secure, especially if you deal with multiple AWS accounts or need to reference it frequently. It can be critical when managing your AWS resources, contacting support, or performing account-related activities. Remember, your AWS account number is like an ID for your account, something unique to you, so it's handy to keep it accessible yet secure. And there you have it, a quick and easy process to locate your AWS account number within the AWS Management Console. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to dive deeper into AWS's documentation or reach out to AWS support. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.